Hey y'all, so these are the ingredients that we're using. We're using almond breeze, salt, cinnamon, pure vanilla extract, honey, oats, Quaker oats, just regular Quaker oats, baking powder, mango slices. I'm using 2 cans of mango slices. Her recipe called for peaches, but we ain't have peaches today. And then I'm using orange juice and substitute for apple juice. And then I'm using my blend jet too to blend all the ingredients together. So if you guys like this recipe and you want to try it, please try it. Let me know what you think of it. Comment down below. Let me know if you've already tried this before. And yeah, we're gonna get it started. So I have these baking bowls that I bought from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. Make sure you guys hit that like button, share this video out to everybody you know. Comment down below, hit that bell notification for future videos, because you're gonna like be posting. I'm gonna be posting on the regular. Okay, period. You already know what time it is. So now I'm adding the mango slices in the pan on the stove. It's already mixed with syrup, so I really don't have to add any extra water or anything extra to it for now. Just a little bit of honey I'll be adding. So I'm gonna break the mango slices up. Into little pieces. Let them boil, let them cook. I'm gonna add my honey in there now. And so I'm adding the Quaker oats in my blend jet too. I try to give y'all a good view, okay? So I decided to add some ground cinnamon. That calls for the recipe. Janice recipe. I think I said it right. Rihanna Janice. That's her recipe. I used some almond breeze for my choice of milk. And I used 2 cups of Quaker oats, because I need a little bit more. Because I didn't have bananas. Bananas is also on the recipe too. And I didn't have bananas. So your girl had to make do with what she had. Period. Sometimes you just have to use what's in your pantry. What's in your cabinet. So now I'm adding the orange juice. I added 1 cup. And now I'm adding a little bit of vanilla extract to the mixture. And some baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then I added a little bit of salt. She used pink Himalayan salt. I had some, but you know, your girl was like being a little lazy, so I just used the regular salt. And I'm blending it all together in my blend jet too with the extra large jar that I ordered, which is amazing. And that's the vibes that it's giving. What's it giving? It's giving me creamy. So in the recipe, in her video, she says to add it, fill it up halfway in your baking bowls. So we are putting the mixture in and we're filling up our baking bowls halfway. I'm trying to do it without spilling. Because baking get a little messy, y'all. For real. And that's what they're giving. That's the vibes that they're giving, period. Oh, these are going to be so delicious and so good when they get done. So the recipe calls for 350 minutes. Between 35 and 45 minutes. Now I'm adding the peaches to the mixture. Stats. And then the recipe calls for a little bit more. mixture on top. And I don't know if I can't remember if Rihanna did this, but I'm adding cinnamon on top because I love cinnamon so much. So we're just adding cinnamon on top just for a little bit more flavor. And I'm drizzling a little bit of honey on top of the cinnamon. Your girl loves honey, okay? And this is a good, healthy, vegan friendly recipe breakfast for, you know, y'all, if y'all want a quick and easy recipe, quick and easy, quick and go. Look, a quick and easy meal, period. There you have it. That's the vibes that they're giving. Okay, now we're going to put them on our baking pan. All right, you guys, and so now I'm getting ready to put them in the oven. That's what they should look like after you pour the mixture in your baking bowl. I call them baking bowls. I guess they're ceramic baking bowls, but your girl call them baking bowls. Okay, period. That's why I can't do voiceovers, okay? I'll be tripping. Anywho, so we're putting them in the oven or whatever, and they go in the oven for at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 35 to 45 minutes. Put down like that. I think I messed it up already. Wait, is that off? Okay, it's off. It's just like I just let them cool. All right, y'all. So wear your gloves. They're so cute. I would have Queen Bee. This is gonna be a thumbnail, like Betty Crocker in training. All right, so we're gonna put them up here. All right. Let's see what the vibes are giving. I can get it together, really. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at me now. Look at me now. Eh? I'm getting paper. Let me stop playing. Oh my God, that's amazing, y'all. Look at that. Look. It's a little hot piece. It's a little hot piece. It's a little hot piece. I don't know if I need gloves or whatever. Get a glove. I feel like I need something. Hold on. I'm trying. Okay, like this. Oh man. Okay, that's good. That's cute. Okay, so we're gonna do it like this. Like, look at that, y'all. That looks amazing, right? We just gonna get in it. I've never tried these before. These are my first time. I hope I did them. I cooked them through. So let me show y'all how the vibes are giving. Look at all those that mango goodiness right there. Look at that. Just, oh my gosh, I'm about to try them for y'all. But look. Okay, your girl about to try them for y'all. All right, y'all, I'm about to try this. My version of baked overnight oats. Period. Like, y'all, look at this. Ooh, I'm just super duper. Thank you, Rihanna Janice. I just put my own little twist on this, sis. And y'all make sure y'all go over to my sis page and check her out, because she do meal prep videos and things of that nature. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let me try it. I'm tripping. This right here, baby, is amazing. Won't you do it? Hold on. Look at that. Oh my goodness. What a warmer. Next time I use a baking sheet in these. But you can taste the honey, the cinnamon, the mango.
course, mango. I ain't had no bananas breed, so like I said, I wasn't about to leave the store today. Like I said, I was not about to leave the house to go to the store today. Okay, sis? Period. Y'all, the recipe is in the description box below. Thank y'all so much for watching my meal prep video on overnight oats, baked overnight oats. Baked oats. This is amazing, y'all. So good. If you're a fan of oatmeal, honey, this recipe is for you, child. This one right here, for you. Okay, period. I need to do my meal prep videos. Okay, this is my breakfast for the next 5 days. Lord Jesus. Woo! Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Y'all know what to do. If you're a real MVP, comment down below and say, sis, I'm a real MVP, because you know you are the real MVP. And your girl gotta go, okay? Hit that bell notification for future videos. Comment down below, because you know I want to know. Peace, love, and hair grease, like all day, every day, period.